Today is Tuesday, and I've been pigging out on M&ms, peanut M&ms, and pork rinds, and I feel fine. I feel fine. What is your all's favorite candy? I love it all, but M&ms hold a special place in my heart, and Reese's. Do not forget Reese's. But anyway, it's Tuesday. I love nature. It's going to be in this video a lot today. The nature. Birds and trees and bushes and all that stuff. You like how I show you my beard? Look at that. But you like it, and that's what's going to happen today, because I don't know what else to record today. So broccoli with cheese, and yams, and rice, and chicken tonight for supper. Okay, I've had enough fun for today. So I'm going to go and relax and wind down and upload the vlog. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Same Chris time, same Chris channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And have a nice night.